12 Korean toners to hydrate and repair the skin barrier. While the norm is that a toner should be an astringent that removes grime and dirt while balancing the pH, the best Korean toners rather work to give the skin instant hydration as the first step after cleansing with a face wash. Low molecular hyaluronic acid and collagen are common ingredients in Korean toners alongside ceramides and peptide, which most skin types can typically tolerate and benefit from. People with oily or acne-prone skin should consider toners with calming, anti-inflammatory, or exfoliating ingredients such as tea tree oil, Centella asiatica, heart leaf extracts, ginseng. Finding formulas that can effectively penetrate skin is key to ensuring skin is nourished and comfortable. Consider a few of our favorites below. Number 1, we have the Wellage Hyaluronic Toner, which is about 100 ml and is being sold for $37. Hyaluronic acid toners are a dime a dozen, but this one by Wellage is different. Formulated with triple purified 93% low-weight hyaluronic acid, the toner quickly absorbs into the skin for in-depth hydration. According to the European Medical Journal, low-weight hyaluronic acid penetrates deeper layer of the skin than the usual hyaluronic acid. The key ingredient in this toner is hyaluronic acid, which is best for hydration and firming. Its size is in 10.14 oz. Number 2 on our list is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow BHA plus PHA pore-tight toner. True to its name, this Glow Recipe toner is powered by a blend of 62% watermelon extract and cactus water, a combination that expertly hydrates and calms skin and gives this formula a slightly sweet scent. This complex works alongside celarine to retain moisture and condition skin, whereas the featured BHA and PHA helps decongest enlarged pores for a smoother, brighter complexion. The key ingredients in this toner is 62% watermelon extract plus cactus water, 16% glycerin, 3% PHA and 2% BHA. This toner is best for enlarged pores, exfoliating acne-prone skin, and its size is in 150 ml. The next on the list is the S.Nature Aqua Oxide toner. This toner helps achieve radiant skin with light and potent hydration and gentle exfoliation with PHAs and papaya enzymes. Gentle enough for those with sensitive skin, the mildly acidic formula helps to melt sebum away and slowly remove dead skin. The 8 types of hyaluronic acid and panthenol aid in calming the skin and providing moisture. The key ingredients in this toner is the hyaluronic acid, papaya enzymes, panthenol, and is best for hydration, exfoliation, and for sensitive skin. Its size is in 10.14 oz. So the next on the list is the Torriden Dive-In Toner. The low molecular hyaluronic acid toner disperses hydration deeply into the skin, while panthenol and allantoin strengthen the skin barrier. Best applied while the skin is a bit damp to retain more hydration in the skin. Its key ingredients are the hyaluronic acid, the panthenol, the allantoin, and is best for hydration, soothing, and its size is in 10.14 oz. The next is the Wonder Relief Centella toner, Unscented Purito Serum. Made with sensitive skin types in mind, this Centella asiatica toner has a watery texture that leaves the skin wonderfully dewy. Known for its soothing properties, the star ingredient Centella asiatica is great for those with rosacea to strengthen the skin barrier. The key ingredients in this toner is the Centella asiatica and panthenol, and is best for sensitive skin, is best for soothing, and is best for hydration. Its size is in 6.76 ox. The next on the list is Numbuzin No. 1 Pure Full Calming Herb Toner. It's about 300 ml and is being sold for $28. A potent mix of 3 herbal extracts helps create this calming elixir of a toner. The antioxidant licorice extract is clinically shown to fade dark spots, while the Centella asiatica aids in comforting irritation. Finally, the Hutunia codata extract reduces sebum and has anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne. The key ingredients in this toner is Hutunia codata extract, the Centella asiatica, the licorice extract, and is best for sensitive skin, acne, soothing, hydration. Its size is in 10.14 ox. The next is the D'Alba White Truffle Face Spray Serum and is about 100 mils here. Technically not a toner, but we are including this spray for its amazing hydrating properties. The vegan serum of this soft mist is layered with a mixture of 4 plant-based oils, including avocado oil, sunflower seed oil, soya bean oil, and bisarelana seed oil to instantly plump skin. Also, it's the perfect carry-on size for flights. Its key ingredients are the white truffle, ginseng, and is best for hydration, firming. Its size is in 3.38 ox. The next is the Aestura Atobarrier 365 Hydro KBeauty Australia essence. The heart leaf in this toner is sourced from the Korean Jiri Mountains and helps calm down the skin. The Centella asiatica works alongside to cool skin inflammation, while the soya bean extract helps prevent the fine lines, making this toner a versatile option for all skin types. Its key ingredient is the heart leaf, the Centella asiatica, and is best for soothing and hydration. Its size is in 7.1 ox. The next on the list is the Sulwhasoo Essential Comfort Balancing Water Toner. It's in about 250 mils and is being sold for $68. The watery texture of this luxurious toner leaves the skin glowing due to the combination of ginseng and narcissus bulb extract, formulated with a mix of 5 herbal ingredients. The toner is quickly absorbed without any stickiness. The key ingredients in this toner is the ginseng narcissus bulb extract and is best for hydration. Its size is in 5.07 ox. And the next is the AHA, BHA, and PHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. Combining AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs without burning the skin is a difficult task, but some by me has accomplished it through this toner. The combination of acids gently aids cell turnover and removes excess sebum to prevent acne. Meanwhile, tea tree leaf water works to hydrate and soothe the skin. The key ingredients in this toner is the tea tree leaf water, niacinamide, and is best for acne, oily skin, hyperpigmentation. Its size is in 5.07 ox. The next one is the Bring Green Tea Green Sika Soothing Toner. A complex of 5 types of tea tree extracts work in tandem here to soothe the skin with anti-inflammatory properties. The toner refreshes and cools down irritation quickly while effectively moisturizing. The key ingredients in this toner is the tea tree extract, the Centella asiatica, and is best for soothing, and its size is in 8.5 ox. And the last on the list is the Laneige Skill Refillable Toner and Moisturizer, which is sold for $36. Filled with ceramides and peptides, This creamy toner is excellent for those with dry and sensitive skin. White leaf tea water, which is rich in amino acid and helps strengthen the skin barrier as well. So the key ingredients in this Laneige toner is white leaf tea water, ceramides and peptides, and is best for hydration. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.